Okay guys, here is your gorgeous anchor. It's so pretty. I love it, love it, love it. The black and the white with the metal roof accents, the stone. Yes, really, really pretty. You've got vacant lots in front of you. You've got this beautiful channel plan going on next to you. So let's go take a look inside. So you come on inside and you've got this beautiful foyer. Really pretty. I love the door style here too, with the transom above and the side lights. And then here you don't have the French doors, but you also don't have that opening that goes out to the hallway in the kitchen too. So I like that this is closed off better, honestly, in my opinion. And then over here, you do have a closet. I do not think that the other anchor has a closet in this room. So I don't know if that extra storage space makes a difference to you. So I think the molding is a little bit different, but you got your coat closet up here like normal. And then you come in, the floors are actually the same color as the other anchor, I believe. And then you come on in and you've got this beautiful telescoping doors. You've got your built-ins on either side of the electric fireplace, similar to the other anchor. And then spin back around to this lovely kitchen. I personally prefer this counter to the counter in the other anchor. Honestly, it looks a little more luxe. You've got a little bit of a different appliance package in here. This is still KitchenAid, but it doesn't have like the KitchenAid logo like the others have. But this is still your oven and your microwave above, all by KitchenAid. This cooktop, I think, is a little more narrow than the one on the other anchor. It's very similar backsplash from the other one. You've got your hood there. And then you've got your refrigerator installed like you asked for. This one does not have the water in the side. It has the water in here. So this is an updated version of the KitchenAid refrigerator. So there you go. This little shelf you can pull up or pull down. I think that's kind of neat. But the water is inside instead of on the door. When we got our new fridge, we did that too. I don't like the water on the door. Okay, and then you have your freezer down there. And your little beverage center over here. Really nice, really nice. So you've got your pantry with the wood shelves. And then over here, you have your laundry. You do have the cabinets above, just like in the other anchor. And here is your Costco closet. So instead of the big old shower and no closet here, you do have this extra storage area in this particular plan. And then this is the master closet over here. But we'll get to that when we get over into that section. So while we're over here, let's check out the garage. So no epoxy floor in here. You do have an access door to the side yard and nice storage. And your water heater lives in here with your water shut off. So back through here. Really, really pretty. Let's get a closer look at this view out here. So the other lot is more private, but here you have the pond. They are seeding and strawing in the back property line. So they're working on making that look, at least right here, a little bit better. Hopefully they'll come through and trim up all of this, and this pond will start to look a lot better. So the other anchor definitely has more privacy, but does not have the pond. Okay, back into the primary. You've got the luxury vinyl plank running through this primary. You've got the tray ceiling. Window placement is the same. A little bit of punch list items that we need to take place in here, but so here you've got this big open space over here to the wall. So usually that big old shower would have spanned all the way over here. Instead, you've got the closet on the other side in the laundry, and then you have this space here for a piece of furniture. And your tile shower is a little bit smaller. You've got this frameless shower door. You've got the shower head and the handheld as well. And really lovely tile. This is, I don't know if the camera's picking it up. This is not just white. This has got a little hint of bluish gray in it. It's really, really pretty. Same with the floors. So you have the wood stain cabinets, and then you have, is that a window in the other anchor? I'm not sure. Really pretty vanity. Water closet, and then you have this lovely walk-in closet. No carpet on the floors in here. I think the master and the other anchor had carpet, if I'm remembering correctly. So you have this, and again, this connects to the laundry that has that nice big closet for storage. It also has the cabinets. Okay, so back through the primary. Back through here, through the dining room. You see the different, it's a little bit of a more traditional trim work in this dining room. Really pretty. Your light fixtures are nice. This is your dining. There's a little thing up there that needs to be painted. We can make that part of the punch list. Okay, so let's go check out these secondary bedrooms and see what they're all about. So the secondary bedrooms do have carpet in them. Got carpet in here. It's pretty. We can get a fan installed if you want one in here. And then you have your powder room. And your secondary bath with that beautiful tile on the floor and up the wall over there. And then you have your other bedroom. The vanity is a wood stain in this bathroom as well. So what do you think? Oh, we didn't go upstairs. Let's go take a look at the trusses in this floor plan. You do have the wood treads or the luxury vinyl plank treads on here. So let's take a look at the storage. Yep, so you see you do not have what they had on there. This all looks so much cleaner here. And the same on this side. So I'm gonna have to compare the videos and see what the difference is. So here you have, in the other anchor, this was all insulation right here. Here you have this walkway there. And then over here, there is, in the other anchor, all of this, you could walk over there and this was storage. And now that is not. That's insulation right there. I wonder if they need to put insulation over here too. We'll see in the walkthrough. But yeah, so in the other anchor, they had all this after, all these, you know, supports installed after. Now, whether this is done appropriately or whether it needs the supports, I do not know, but we certainly, during the home inspection, we can make sure the home inspector takes a close look at that. What is that noise? Okay, up here is this big old bedroom / bonus area. You've got views of the pond up here too. Nice. And then you've got the wood stain and that beautiful tile in here too. Pretty. With a fiberglass insert for the tub. What do you think? I can't wait to hear what you think of in regards to the differences in here. And I think the fixtures maybe and the little like hardware, things like that, may be a little bit nicer in the other anchor. Here's the closet upstairs. So you guys, let me know what you think. Can't wait to hear. I'll talk to you real soon. Bye.